Hey friends, Kevin here. Yes, it is snowing, and yes, I am in shorts. But the topic of this video is going to national parks in 2025. Now, if you are a working stiff like me and you have not purchased the annual pass, that means most national parks you're going to be looking at about $35 just to drive into. And a lot of national monuments, there are $7, $8, $10 per person just to walk into an experience. But there are 6 days in 2025 that anyone can go to any of these for free. And here they are. The first one is January 20th, Martin Luther King Day. The second is April 19th, which is the start of National Park Week. The third day you can go for free is June 19th, which is this Juneteenth stuff. The fourth is on August 4th, which celebrates Great Outdoor Signing Day. You can look that up yourself. The fifth is on September 27th, which is National Public Lands Day. And the final day that is free for anyone is November 11th, which is Veterans Day. And whether you're an explorer, whether you like camping, whether you're doing van life, I would dare say if you are like most of us, you probably have some of these things within 50 miles of wherever you live. They may not be one of the major national parks close to where you live, but I guarantee there are some national monuments, some great things to get out and explore that you have probably never been to. And I know I'm in that situation. I have done many things 2,000 miles away from where I live, and there are still things I haven't done within an hour or two of my home base. So let me know down in the comments, what are your favorite national parks that you may have been to? What are your favorite national monuments that you have gotten to go and experience? And let me know what your experiences were, and if you had to pay to get into these, what it ended up costing you. So this is a great thing. I hope everyone's able to take advantage of this. In the next videos, we'll get back to a lot of van life stuff, camping stuff, travel stuff, some winter camping stuff, and we'll talk soon.